consistently shout me down when I try to answer your questions is because you can't handle the answers because you know they're true.
Deputy, look, please.
On a point of order, Count Corley.
Yes,
on a point of order, Count Corley, I really need to put on the record of the Dáil that what we see here is a party that really just can't handle honest democratic debate. They won't answer questions.
It's not a point of order.
Thank you. This is a government who can't deal with the fact that you've made a decision to increase
Deputy Doherty, you're out of order. The leader's questions. Your leader has posed the question. You're not the leader yet. Now, Deputy.
The Taoiseach made a point of order and questioned the democratic capacities or ability of this party. I might remind the Taoiseach on the last occasion that we went to the polls, this party and these benches secured more votes than your own. We are perfectly entitled to represent the people that we represent and to do so